Hi, hi, how are you? Everything is fine. How are you? Super. Tell me, how much do you pay for the apartment? $700? Interesting. Can you show me? Let's go. Hi. It's a diffuser, and this is hidden box. What's a beauty? Here I see your shoes. The doorstep is very clean. Tell me, why is it so clean here? Because we change our shoes outside the threshold. Great! If you want to come visit, please change your shoes outside the threshold. Because we have our beloved cats here who love these carpets very much. Tell me, what do you keep here? Look at all these boxes. Here are case, cars, and small electronics and various trifles. This is where we keep the bags. Slippers for guests and house shoes are stored here. Bathroom. You can pay attention. There is also a diffuser here. Pleasant smell everywhere. Oh, what fun jars you have. I specifically ordered this so that they were in the same style and there was no visual noise. Easy to stick the stickers you need. Cool. What is it on your toilet? It's our cats go to the toilet right on the toilet. We taught them that way. Oh, I understood. Your cats are independent. Is this your kitchen? Yes, this kitchen. It's small but enough for me. I feel comfortable cooking here. Caution, robot vacuum cleaner. There is grill here. Here's my favorite roll-out trash can. Easy to get with your food for the lazy. And we have here handy organizers. Yes, that's right. Kitty, kitty, kitty. We eat here. Sometimes we move the table to the sofa. That's it, such a living room, a kitchen, and office? Yes, that's right. It is a boyfriend's workspace. Two working computers. He needs both of them to work. So, what is it? The secret place is our bedroom. Do I understand correctly? This is your bedside table? Yes, this is my area. More stylish. And what is it? It is humidifier. It can be switched, works both as a humidifier and as a night light. It's look very nice. Is it your closet? Yes. As a space organizer, I see high deep shelves here. You see? Due to the fact that here the height is 50 centimeters. Things are stacked on top of each other and a high pile. If there were shelves on 25-30 centimeters, then it would be possible not to pile things up, but to arrange several piles in one row and in a pile of 3-5 things, and it would be very convenient. So, now we are heading to the balcony? Yes, that's right. Oh, what kind of trainer do you have? Do you often use? Me? Not. My boyfriend regularly. But it is beautiful. He also has dumbbells. Cool in general. Sports guys. Yes, we are. So, if you like this video and want to see more like it, please put like and subscribe. Bye!